Static counter-drone defenses are modern Maginot lines designed to fail against mobile threats. The industry prides itself on fixed installations with overlapping sensor coverage and layered effectors. But here's the catch. Enemies don't play by your rules. Drones won't conveniently hover at 400 feet AGL for you to intercept. This is a classic miss, like optimizing for the kill but ignoring the forensic gap of drone wreckage, a hardware-software desync. It's John Wick's Hilux philosophy, where static defenses are inherently flawed when targets are mobile. Picture DARPA's Offset program highlighting agile multi-agent systems. These mimic market dynamics, and yet we stumble on the basics like lithium battery spills, an environmental hazmat hazard nobody wants to address. The gap isn't just in tech, but in the lack of seamless integration, where agent authentication for long-running missions remains a stumbling block. Why should you care? Because static setups are obsolete. Defenses need to evolve with tech and geopolitical shifts. We aren't just fighting physical drones, but the strategic coalitions they represent. These systems are a lens into modern conflict, where power dynamics and tech innovation meet. Follow for more defense tech.